everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this Tundra is called Midnight Black Metallic and has 163,239 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 5.7 liter 8-cylinder gas engine that puts out 381 horsepower with a torque of 401 pounds per foot. This Tundra uses 18 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 14.2 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So now we're taking a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So here you can see you have a nice handle, you have your power windows, your power locks, and your child safety locks. Then down below at the bottom you have a nice big compartment with 2 cup holders in it. Taking a quick look over here at the front interior, the seats are fabric upholstery. You do have a power driver seat, but a manual passenger seat. You do right here have your power windows, your power adjusting mirrors right here. And this lovely window here controls, just taking a look at the back window here, you can slide the back window down, pull it right back up for those nice sunny days like today. So now we're going to take a quick look at the steering wheel audio controls. So here, these 2 arrows adjust what station is on the radio station, so we can switch from FM to XM or whatever station you have put in there. You can also adjust the volume here, as you could hear. Right down here for mode or hold, so you can hold a phone call, put a phone call right on hold, or if you hit mode, it'll change from FM radio to satellite radio to AM radio or Bluetooth just by clicking this button here. Then here you can make a phone call or hang up on a phone call. Over here, these arrows control the digital screen. You can see the digital screen changing as I hit the arrows. You also have the back button which controls that as well. And then down here you have your lane departure alert and your rear cross traffic control. Now jumping up to take a look at the odometer on the left hand side, you can see you have your RPM. In the middle on the left, at the top, you have your temperature gauge for your oil. Bottom, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. Right in the middle, you have your digital screen there which tells you the temperature outside, how many kilometers per hour you're going, the range per kilometer for gas, which gear you're in, and how many kilometers are on the vehicle, and then you can change that screen to whichever you like. Over on the right hand side in the middle at the top, you have your voltage gauge for your battery. At the bottom you have your fuel gauge, and then over on the far right you have your speedometer, which is in both kilometers per hour, then on the inside in miles per hour as well. Jumping over here to take a look at the radio, you have a 7-inch touchscreen radio. Up at the top here, you have a nice CD player. And like we were saying before, if you hit the audio button twice, you have your FM, your satellite radio, and your Bluetooth, and your AM. You can change it to whichever one you like. You also have a backup camera. Let's take a quick look at that. So this is what the backup camera looks like. Now jumping down below, you have your rear window defrost, which if you also click that button controls your heated mirrors as well. Jumping right down to the bottom here, you can see that you have heated driver's seat and a passenger seat. You also have 2 12-volt outlets in here. And then right down at the bottom here, a little hard to see, you have a USB-A port and an auxiliary input. Nice big compartment with a cup holder in it. Great if you're charging your phone. Coming up along the middle, you have a couple more cup holders right there. Now we're just gonna lift up the console. So in here, you have a nice little storage compartment, but this can also lift out. So now you have an even deeper storage compartment with a 12-volt outlet right here. So you have lots of room to store your purse or your wallet or anything you might need. That slides right back in there. Now we're going to take a quick look on the passenger side. You can see your passenger has lots of leg room. You can also see they have power locks and power windows on the passenger side door as well. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of our exterior features. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at the driver's side exterior. So first we're starting up at the front here. You can see that you have your daytime running lights. A little hard to see, but they're just this little strip right there. You have your fog lights right down below. Now as we come up along the side, you have your 18-inch steel-styled alloy wheels. Now a better look at the driver's side exterior. Now we're going to go and take a look at the tailgate and bed. First, I want to point out the bumper. I love that it has this indent in the middle. So if you don't have the tailgate down, you can easily hop into the back. I do want to explain too that this does have a soft tonneau cover that you can easily roll up. As you can see, the nice clips up at the front here. It does easily roll up and fold up, ready to go. You also have room at the bottom for a trailer hitch down there. Now opening up the tailgate. Just looking in here, you can see you have lots of room. This is a spray-on bed liner as well. You do have some tie-down cleats, so you have 4 of these. You have 2 at the back and 2 at the front. You have lots of room. You can put a small 4-wheeler back here or even a lawn tractor back here. Choice is up to you. And you can fit quite a few hockey bags back here if you have those hockey tournaments to attend in the wintertime. And you have the tonneau cover that'll keep it nice and soft, nice and dry and good to go. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior rear features. So just like we do in the front, we're also doing in the back. We're taking a look at our driver's side rear interior door panel. So here you can see you have a nice handle here. You have your power windows. I apologize, a little hard to see with the sun. You have your power windows right here. You have a small speaker up on the top of the door. Then just down below at the bottom, you have a bigger compartment with 2 cup holders in it. Quick look at the rear interior. It is fabric upholstery as well. Now, one thing I didn't talk about in the front was these floor mats. So these are WeatherTech floor mats, and as you can see, they wrap right around. Perfect for that early spring, late winter when everything's starting to turn to mud. That way everything's going to go right on these floor mats, and they're not going to go onto the carpet and make it all mucky. These seats do easily fold up. You're just going to hit this button here, and the bottom ones fold up just like that. And then to lower them, you do the same thing. Hit the button, down they go, just like that. You have a nice little compartment, a nice little pouch in behind the passenger seat. Back here, you do also have air vents, so you don't have to constantly ask the person in the front seat to turn the heat up or turn the AC up. Now you can have your own vents back here with your 12-volt outlet just in the middle right there. Nice center seat. Also folds out into a nice armrest with 2 cup holders in it. Gives you lots of space from the person in the back seat if you only have 2 people back here. Quick look over here on the passenger side. You can see that you have lots of leg room. I can actually show you I have some long legs. So you can see how much leg room that you have in the back. Nice if you're going on a long car ride or you have lots of people in the car, you don't want anybody to be cramped. Over on the passenger side, you can also see that you have power windows on the passenger side door as well. Alright folks, that was a look at our 2018 Toyota Tundra in Midnight Black Metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.